Are you ready to discover the easiest way to make money online? In today's video, I'll unveil a secret method that allows you to earn a ton of cash simply by clicking on websites. Stay tuned until the end to see my earnings proof. You won't want to miss it. In just a couple of minutes, I'll reveal the name of the site that pays you for every click. Trust me, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Just sign up on this website by creating a username, entering your email, and setting a password. Once you're in, check out your dashboard to see your points. As you can see, I have 50 points in, and we are going to earn more. To do that, head to the Earn Points section and click on Website Hits. Just click around different websites to earn points. Stick around to learn how to cash in those points, because as you can see, there is no withdrawal option there. Just click on the Visit button, and it'll take you to another website. Hang out there for a few seconds, and once the time's up, your points will be added to your account. See, I had 50 points before. Now it's 61. The more sites you visit, the more points you rack up, which means more money in your pocket. Simple, right? The website's called YouLikeHits.com. Now, let's talk about cashing in those points for real money. So you've been earning points by clicking around websites, but you might have noticed there's no option to withdraw them. No worries, I'll show you how to turn those points into cash. Step 3. Head over to CPAgrip.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, click on the Offer Tools option and select My Offer from there. It's that simple. When you're on CPAgrip.com, you'll see a bunch of offers in the CPA marketplace. Now, what's CPA? It's short for Cost Per Action. Basically, you get paid when someone you refer takes an action, like signing up for something free. Your job? Pick an offer and grab your referral link. Look for the one that pays the most. For example, I found one that paid me $250 just for getting people to sign up. Once you've found your offer, click Copy Link to get your unique referral link. Now here's the kicker. For every referral you bring in, you earn $3. Get 10 referrals, that's $30. Hit 100 referrals, that's a cool $300. Pretty sweet, right? Step 4. Grab your referral link for your offer and make it look snazzy by shortening it. Head over to bit.ly.com. No need to sign up. Just paste your URL, click Shorten, and boom. You've got a shorter, sleeker link. Copy that link and hop over to twitter.com. If you don't have an account, no worries. You don't need followers or likes to make money. We're just using Twitter to cash in our points for cold, hard cash. Step 5. Now, to rake in the cash, we need loads of traffic clicking on our link and signing up. So after posting your tweet with the catchy description and shortened URL, copy the tweet ID from the top left corner. Then, head over to YouLikeHits.com to exchange your points for Twitter traffic. To exchange your points for real money, head to YouLikeHits.com. Click on Add Edit Sites, then select Twitter and choose Retweets. Paste your tweet ID and hit Add Tweet. Next, go to Manage Twitter Retweets and set your points per retweet. I suggest 7 points. Once you start the campaign, you'll get retweets in no time. Members of YouLikeHits.com will retweet our post, bringing in traffic. More clicks on our URL means more cash, $2 per click. That's it for today's video on making money online. Want more tips on side hustles and online money making in 2024? Subscribe to my channel, it's free.